Rockwell's new Denali is designed to handle abusive construction environments, but accidents happen, and we've got you covered. Rockwell has developed an innovative new repair method and accompanying repair kit to fix cracked Denali window wells. The Rockwell Denali Repair Kit has everything you need to repair a cracked Denali window well. Here's what's included: an adjustable welder with texture tip, a fixed temperature welder with teardrop tip, color-matched welding filler rods, wire brush, chip brush, a pair of needle nose pliers for handling hot tips, a can of color-matched spray paint, spare welding tips and texture tips, 80 and 220 grit sanding blocks, 2 welder stands, and a small flat wrench for changing tips. The first step of the repair process is to realign the two halves of the brake so the surfaces are flush. Sometimes jagged edges off the brake prevent the two halves from realigning. If this happens, remove the jagged obstruction with the welding iron. Once the two sides are aligned, we can start welding. Using the teardrop tip, melt a V-shaped groove along the path of the brake. Plunge the tip of the welder into the material so it penetrates about halfway through the window well material, and push a small bead of plastic slightly upward. Start at the top and slowly work downward, letting the welder melt material as you go. This will make a strong bond. Once you've created the V-groove, use the flat side of the iron to refill the groove. Occasionally, you'll need to use the welding rod to add material to achieve a perfectly flush repair. Make sure to clean the tip of the welder often with the wire brush to prevent discoloration of the repair area. Once the material has cooled, sand it smooth with 80 grit sandpaper to blend the repair into the body of the window well. Fill any pits or low spots with filler rod. Once the repair is flush, sand again with 220 grit sandpaper to make a smooth surface. Set the temperature of the texture welder to a low setting to avoid burning material. Reapply texture to the repaired area by pressing, sliding, and/or rocking the iron. Lift the iron off the surface and apply texture to a new location. It is critical to regularly clean the textured tip with the wire brush to prevent burning and discoloration. Let the newly textured area cool, then lightly sand the texture to smooth any abnormal ridges. Use the chip brush to thoroughly clean off any debris and dust from the well repair area. Finish the repair by applying paint to the repair area using the color-matched spray paint. Apply 2 even coats from different angles to ensure full coverage. Repeat the welding steps for the back side of the window well. If you have any questions about this repair process, please contact us.